books always carry civilizations.
Yes.
This point is clear.
Yes, sir.
If there were no books, what would happen?
We would not
Be able to know about the civilizations. The first thing. No, if there were no books, what else would happen?
our mind will not develop.
There would be no development of mind. Excellent, no? And minds are developed when we look at the world, when we learn about past, when we read the heroes, the great writers, the great minds. So all these things are there in the books.
Yes.
So if there were no books, there would be no record of all these great minds. So how would it be possible for us to be like that as we are right now? Okay, what else?
To create new things.
Excellent. Could we be able to know about history if there were no books?
No, we would not.
So you can say that if there were no books, history would be silent.
Yes.
If there were no books,
We would not have literature.
if there were no books, what would happen with science?
We would not have sense. We would live like a
Absolutely. You mean to say no development, no?
Yes.
What would happen with the thoughts if there were no books?
Our mind would be empty.
Our thoughts would be stand still. So these are the books which trigger our mind, stir our mind, and our minds create new things thanks to the books. Every human being speculates,
Yes. Yes.
prescribes,
Yes.
and analyzes. What does it mean? Whenever something is prescribed, analysis is made. This point is clear?
Yes.
So if there were no books, there would be no speculation, there would be no prescription, there would be no analysis. Books tell us about history, they tell us about science, they tell us about speculation, prescription, analysis. What else do they do?
Books tell us how to spend life.
Books tell us how to spend a life. Mean how to spend a life, this is culture.
Yes.
Means how to think, how to act, how to behave, this is life.
Yes. Books tell us about technology.
Excellent. What to invent, how to invent. That technology should always be for the service of mankind.
Yes.
It should not be for the destruction of mankind.
Yes.
Points clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Books tell us about our problems.
Okay. Problem C. Over here, no speculation, prescription and analysis. If a Muslim has some problem, so see the way he thinks.
Yes.
His manners of thinking, oh, I might have done something which Allah Almighty doesn't like it.
Yes.
I might have done something wrong with my neighbor, with my family, with my friends, no, with the other people.
Yes.
No, whether they're Muslim or that's not the question, but they are humans, no?
Yes.
They belong to the same parents, Adam and Eve. This is Islam. So Islamic culture is rich. Whenever some problem is there, so Muslim always thinks, oh,
What we did.
absolutely right. No, that I might have disobeyed God as far as that my life is concerned. No, I might have that abused someone. I might have disturbed someone. I might have done injustice over here in the world. Okay.
I might have cheated someone.
Very good. So this is a way of thinking. Points clear?
Yes.
If some other person is there who doesn't believe in God, the way he thinks, that is entirely different. No. Points clear?
Yes.
The way humans are developed, their culture and civilization shall be. Books carry civilization. This is clear?
Yes.
If there were no books, what would happen? That's clear.
Yes.
Speculation, prescription, analysis is clear.
Yes.
MashaAllah.